Hello and welcome back to the Husqvarna project. I'm at 10 Cycles with Terry Schleifer and we've got a great episode for you today.
Yeah, welcome guys. We're moving on to the next stage of our project, and that's going to deal with most of the drivetrain. So we're replacing chain and sprocket, we're doing the wheel bearings, we're doing rotors, we're doing brake pads, and we've also got some specialty parts we've had done by one of our good friends. I'll let Neil talk a little bit more about those specialty parts, but we'll put those together today and when we get that back there with Matt.
And we're going to put some new Dunlop tires too, right?
That's true. We're going to do...
It will go a bit better with tires.
Yeah, it definitely is going to roll better with tires. We're going to do some Dunlops front and rear.
Excellent. So you got an idea to kind of do a medium compound in the rear for a bit better wear.
Yeah.
And a good soft gummy one up front for more grip.
A little bit more grip. That combination works well in kind of varied terrain we have here in the Carolinas, so it should work well.
Nice. And as Terry said, we have a big shameless plug, shout out, thank you to our buddy Ryan out at Flow Coatings. Terry had suggested that we pull off clutch cover and
ignition cover,
radiator guards, foot pegs, bits and pieces that were pretty scuffed up.
Yeah, it's a 2016, and that's typical stuff that just gets kind of wear. There was all functional, nothing wrong with them. Just get them powder coated and freshen it up with the rest of the stuff we're going to do.
Beautiful. So we will head back in and find Matt. He's going to be doing the work for us today, so he'll be kind of walking us through what we're doing. And we do have a few other items that you've sourced, new like stainless steel looking Husqvarna bash plate, stronger.
Yeah, it's actually it's a heavy duty aluminum. We decided not to do any coating or anything on that because it gets a lot of wear, and just keep it aluminum mill finish.
Yeah, that's nice. And we've got some frame guards that'll just protect the frame a little bit.
Frame guards hide that white frame that was on the 2016 model. We're going with a black colorway. So we want to hide that frame so it doesn't pop as much and give it some protection.
Nice, protection and visual. So off to find Matt we go. Thank you. Good. Hey Matt, so how are we getting along?
We're getting along pretty good.
I'm in there drinking coffee, right? He's doing all the work. So you got the rear wheel off, bearings are in?
Bearings are in, rear sprockets in, and brake rotors in.
Right.
Doing the front sprocket and the chain right now.
Excellent, excellent. So making great time, making great progress. No problems, everything's going well.
No, we got rid of the problem.
What was the problem?
Oh, just bearings.
Yeah, I guess. So it's time.
Yeah. No, it's actually going pretty smooth.
Yeah. Well, this is looking good. So yeah, it's gonna be really, really nice to have new chain, new sprockets, new wheel bearings, new tires. Woo! I won't know myself. So, all items checked off?
All done.
Everything good? Well, that's really, really cool. No problems. Matt did a great job.
Matt did a great job. That's why we did the kind of pre-check of everything. We went through everything that we were going to look at, made sure we had all the right parts, so everything would go smoothly today.
Perfect. And so basically, tires, wheel bearings, chain sprockets, the whole thing. Next stage, we have a choice. Do we do performance or visuals, which would be bodywork and graphics? What is your preference?
I say we keep the bodywork and graphic stuff.
Because that's going to be the cherry on the top.
Yeah, that's the icing on the cake.
Yeah.
That's the pretty stuff that looks all good at the end.
Mhm.
So I say we save it. We'll work on performance stuff on the next segment. We'll look at things like, we'll take a look at the muffler, we'll take a look at the exhaust system, we'll take a look at the intake.
Yeah, TPI.
And TPS sensor, and figure out what we want to do and what makes sense.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for coming with us. Thank you, Terry and 10 Cycles, for having us out, and Matt for doing all the work. And excited that the Husky's moving along. And next time we'll be working on performance.
Yeah, we're getting close.